Hello, YouTube across 6 continents. This is Conscience for AI TV. I am Deusdedit. If you are making decisions in a hospital ward in Nairobi, a courtroom in New York, a classroom in Singapore, a newsroom in Canberra, a startup in Tel Aviv, or a ministry in Brasilia, you are welcome. If your choices touch people, you are in the right place. What is this channel? We slow down for a moment before AI-assisted decisions turn into actions. We explain what's going on in plain language. We show the reasoning so everyone can see it. We will look at real cases where people or AI tools caused problems, and we will explain why, what signals were used, which trade-offs were chosen, and who was affected. When we move from explanation to practice, we will show you how to turn a post-incident review, a simple what happened and what did we learn conversation, how to keep a decision log so it's clear who decided, why they decided, and what safer options were considered. How to use corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, fix the problem today and lower the chance it comes back tomorrow. And how to file a request for change so model updates are reviewed, tested, and written down, not pushed quietly. Step by step, you get a routine you can use at work. Check the facts, state the intent, assess the risk, record the choice, verify the outcome, and improve the system. Over time, that routine becomes a habit your team can trust. Something both your people and your AI tools can copy. What are we teaching? We are teaching AI conscience, not a feeling, but a habit. It shows up in how we work. We say what we intend to do, we check the impact, we repair the harm, and we change the setup so it doesn't happen again. Why these tools matter? Post-incident review teaches humility and truth. What happened and what we learned. Decision log teaches accountability. Who decided, on what basis, and which safer alternatives were considered. CAPA teaches repair and foresight. Fix today, prevent tomorrow. RFC teaches discipline, no silent model tweaks. Changes are reviewed, tested, and documented. To round up the routine, we add a few simple pieces. Add a risk scorecard before deployment so you see risk early. Add an intake so people can speak up and issues surface quickly. Add a simple timeline, spot patterns over time, and add a board report that tells the truth without spin. Together, these turn checklists into daily practice. These aren't forms. They are the muscles of conscience. This means we use these tools again and again until doing the right thing feels natural. For people, that practice turns good intentions into steady habits, especially when work gets busy. For the machine, the same routine, the logs, the reviews, and tested changes, set clear guardrails must follow. It isn't paperwork. It's how we spot risk early, fix problems fast, and avoid repeats. Do it every day, and both your team and the machine learn where the line is and stay inside it. And that's how conscience stops being a slogan and starts showing up in the work. And so, how does AI end the conscience or learn the conscience? By living inside these habits. Every time you log a decision, your system learns your boundaries. Every time you test a change, your criteria becomes guardrails. When a problem is reviewed and turns into CAPA, the model's future is shaped but by what you refuse to ignore. Over time, the data you keep, the metrics you choose, the tests you run, and the rollbacks you insist on, that routine teaches the machine your values. It's not magic, it's repetition. Conscience becomes visible in the workflow, and the workflow trains the machine. Why do we do this? Because AI isn't magic. It's choices, and choices can be governed. When numbers outrank people, small errors can scale into harm. We don't panic, we practice oversight. We make responsibility visible, we write things down, and we learn in public. How this channel works: each week, I will bring one case, what went wrong, who was hurt, and why it mattered, paired with a 2-minute template you can use in your team the same week. Over time, you will build a small study toolkit that makes good judgment repeatable and helps your people and your AI tools carry that judgment forward. This is Conscience for AI TV, where we turn ethics into everyday operations with courage and clarity. Be part of it. Subscribe, turn the notification bell, and join tomorrow's Global Conscience Classroom for AI, for a future of machines that understand us.